Ariana, what are you doing here?
Okay, Charlie, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay, Charlie.
Hey, no. Let's go. Let's go outside.
Thank you for helping, Marty. Are you bringing your bed in here? Okay, you got your end. I got my end. Okay, ready? You put it down here? Okay. Okay. Good girl. Thank you.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
How to give medicine to my dog.
9, 9, 9, 9.
That was a very aggressive owl.
Good morning. I love you. I love you. You wash your face. You wash your face. I love you. Hand. Other hand.
Come on, Millie. Millie, come. Come on. Come on. Millie, come. Right, you just stay there.
You are my honey bunch.
What? Fuck you, that's what.
10,000 years of evolution and this pathetic.
Oh yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I don't want to have to tell you again. Get the hell out of here, alright? Get out of here, you son of a bitch! Get out of here!